It was a bright Monday morning when Mark stepped into his local bank. The air conditioning provided a sharp contrast to the summer heat outside. He glanced around and noticed a few customers waiting in line at the tellers. A friendly-looking bank representative approached him with a smile. "Good morning, sir. How can I assist you today?" she asked. "Hi. I'd like to open a new checking account, and I have a few questions about banking services," Mark replied. "Of course. Let me guide you to my desk," she said, leading him to a customer service counter. "So, what kind of account are you looking to open? Personal or business?" she inquired. "Just a personal checking account. I want something with low fees and online banking options," he explained. "Got it. Our basic checking account has no monthly fees if you maintain a minimum balance of $500, she informed him. "And what if my balance goes below that?" he asked. "Then there's a $10 monthly maintenance fee," she clarified. "Okay. Does this account come with a debit card?" he continued. "Yes. You'll receive a debit card within 5 to 7 business days, but you can request a temporary one today," she offered. "That's great. What about online banking? Can I pay bills and transfer money?" he asked. "Absolutely. You can access your account through our mobile app and website. You can pay bills, set up direct deposits, and even transfer money internationally," she said. "Perfect. I also want to know about ATM fees. Do you charge for withdrawals?" he questioned. "Withdrawals from our ATMs are free, but using out-of-network ATMs comes with a $3 fee per transaction," she explained. "Good to know. What documents do I need to open this account?" he asked. "You'll need a government-issued ID, proof of address, and your social security number," she answered. "I have all of that with me. Can we get started now?" he asked. "Absolutely. Let me just grab a few forms for you to fill out," she said, handing him a clipboard. As Mark filled out the application, he glanced at a promotional poster about credit cards. "Actually, I was thinking about getting a credit card too. Do you have beginner-friendly options?" he inquired. "Yes, we offer a starter credit card with no annual fee and a low credit limit to help build credit," she responded. "That sounds like what I need. How does the approval process work?" he asked. "We check your credit history and income. Since you're new to credit, you may need to start with a secured credit card," she explained. "What's a secured credit card?" he asked curiously. "It requires a refundable deposit that acts as your credit limit. It's great for building credit responsibly," she informed him. Got it. How soon can I increase my limit? He asked. If you make on-time payments for 6 months, you can request a credit limit increase, she said. That sounds reasonable. Does this card offer rewards? He questioned. Yes. You earn 1% cash back on all purchases, she said. That's a nice perk. I think I'll apply for one after opening my account, he said. Great choice. Let's finish setting up your checking account first, she suggested. After completing the paperwork, Mark handed it back to her. Everything looks good. I'll just enter your details into our system, she said, typing on her computer. How long does it take to finalize? He asked. Just a few minutes. Meanwhile, do you want to set up online banking now? She offered. Yes, please. That would be helpful, he said. Okay, I'll send a temporary password to your email. You can reset it later, she said. A notification popped up on his phone. Got it. That was fast, he said. We try to make things as convenient as possible, she said with a smile. One last question. How do I deposit cash or checks? He asked. You can deposit cash at any of our ATMs or bring checks to a teller. You can also deposit checks using our mobile app by taking a photo, she explained. That's super convenient. I didn't know mobile deposits were possible, he said. Yes. Just make sure to endorse the check before depositing, she advised. I'll keep that in mind. I think that covers everything for now, he said. Wonderful. Your account is now active. Here's your temporary debit card and a welcome packet with all the details, she said, handing him a folder. Thanks so much for your help. This was easier than I expected, Mark said happily. You're very welcome. Let us know if you have any other questions in the future, she said. Mark left the bank, feeling confident and prepared for managing his new account.